Flex present to be part of Indonesian logistics, to be logistic with advanced technology and focusing on change for convenience. Flex believes integrity, responsibility, and innovation are the keys to the running of this expedition service, trying to make it easier for people to send and receive packages correctly and quickly. In maximizing service to Flex customers, Flex contains an information system that can be accessed as a source of information and communication between the company and employees, and the company with surrounding environment. The information system that connects customer with the company is CRM, through applications made by the company by providing room chat, frequently asked questions, customer review, real-time notifications, so the company can find out customer services starting from the level of service usage, customer complaints, and general customer information processed by the section. Then the data that has been made in the form of a report will be used as a reference for making decisions by the company. Flex company uses ERP system to create special web or internal web that can only be accessed by employees to contain internal data and company information containing dashboard, branch, staff, parcel, track parcel, reports, drones, and contact us. Intranet software helps as a single focal point to reach internal and external resources and facilitate employees to communicate, collaborate, share documents, and information. In this web, the company's financial statement can be immediately accessed according to the applicable time and period. Searching and retain customers. The company strives to get customers and retain customers, especially the marketing team. One of Flex's ways to attract customers is by offering promos, discounts, through video content following current trends. Then the marketing team will provide a digital membership card consisting of 4 levels, namely bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, which are given to individuals or consumers of the company. The purpose of publishing this card is to build the loyalty of customers, so that customers feel privileged so that they often make purchases to attract customers by providing discounts, special promos, and special service offered by the company. The company will be responsible for the package, process, and ship to the destination. With real-time tracking, Flex can manage package expeditions as well as what is an obstacle during delivery. Customers can also access the status of the shipment anytime, anywhere via GPS available on the Flex application. This increases transparency, increases customer satisfaction, and provides data that can inform future logistics decision making. It provides an easy and efficient user experience, allowing users to customize notifications, delivery details, and visibility according to their preference. In making it easier to exchange business transaction information system from one company's customer system to a computer system between participants who make transactions, like companies, customers, suppliers, banks, and others. Flex uses ADI in the form of invoices as evidence to contain participants that are automatically sent when transactions have occurred through the information system. The company cannot be separated from the existence of threats such as cybersecurity or cybercrime. To maintain security from the information system on, the strategy of the Flex company in strengthening data or system security, namely using antivirus, updating information systems, making company data backups. With the operational operation of the information system in the company, it will make it easier for the company to analyze business process and allow organized work activities. Information obtained from processing data can help to make long-term plans and goals, formulate strategies, and develop standards and procedures that will advance the company. Flash your item with Flex.